Hello everyone, I'm Simone. I'm back with another reaction, and today we're reacting to Stray Kids. And today we're reacting to Soligun music video today, and I watched the teaser this morning. So I was outside, but I came back home early because I really want to do this reaction. So now we're back with Soligun music video. Let's start. The teaser was so good. Okay. I'm so excited. No. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I love Changbin's rap. Ooh. No! No, wait. This is... Okay. Changbin, he's my first bias of Stray Kids. I really love his rap. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. My bias is Lino because of his face. Ooh. Oh, Felix. Nah, this is... No, wait. I'm gonna watch that again. That was the teaser. I really love... Oh. This is... No, I missed that. No. Oh. This is so cool. Oh, no. No, it looks so good together. Lino. Okay. Oh. No. Stop. No, Felix voice. That choreography, no. Ooh. No, wait. Okay. I really love the laugh. Oh, Felix, he looks so good. Oh no! I like how he has like different hairstyles. Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Oh my god, this lyrics. No. I really love their voices. No. Oh, no, Felix. Whoa, look. Wow. No, I love that. I love the choreography. Oh, the music video editing is... Oh. No, that's it. No. Oh. So first of all, I follow Stray Kids since their pre-debut. Like I watched the pre-debut show, and I love all of their songs. But my favorite song is still Haterator. But this song is so good. Like this song is kind of similar to God's Menu, which I really like it. Like I really love God's Menu, and this song, Soligun. No, like the video editing is so great, and the rap, Felix. His voice. How can someone have this deep voice? Oh my god. Felix. And Lino. His face is just perfect. This is why he's my bias, because of his face. I really want to do this dance cover, like not by myself but with my friends, like with all the formations and with all the camera moving. And I'm not sure because I'm going back to Seattle, and I hope I can find some friends to do this dance cover with me when I get back to Seattle. Please wait for my cover. I will try to do this dance cover by myself, but I think it will be better if I find some friends to do this dance cover with me, since it's more complete with all the formations and all the outfit stuff. So I hope I can do a dance cover with my friends to this song. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow my Instagram. I'm gonna keep watching this music video today. Bye bye. Stray Kids.